who the good guys and bad guys are, will you?
Yeah.
And we will support those good guys as hard as we
I'll
can.
give you an update every time I can.
Thank you very much. Back in just a minute. If you have a hard time sleeping, may I recommend a new product that is out that is not a drug. It is completely natural. I use it to, took some last night. You don't wake up groggy and you sleep through the night. It is 100% natural. It just helps unwind a little bit. All natural ingredients it promotes healthy sleep by reducing anxiety and distress and improving your mood and relaxation. Only thing I know is I don't feel it when I take it. I don't, it doesn't drug me out. I don't get drowsy. I feel great in the morning, and it has led to great sleep. Find it now, great sleep, by calling 800-4-RELIEF. 800-4-RELIEF. This is coming from the people that make Relief Factor. ReliefFactor.com has it. You just look for Sleep Factor, Relief Factor Sleep, and order it there. It is fantastic.
Back program.